how to upload audio in Suno AI. The first things first is just pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use. And for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, once you have pulled out your web browser, what you want to do is just head directly to suno.com. Now, once you're here, all I have to do next is just click on this option right here that says make a song. And once you click on that, you will now then be redirected to your homepage from Suno AI. Now there are two things that you can do when uploading an audio in Suno AI. First one is going to be your current audio that you already downloaded and you'd like to upload it to Suno AI. And the other one is going to be your raw audio file. Now next thing to do is just head to create. It is usually below the home option right here. Now for you to upload it, just to head directly to upload audio. And once you click on that, just simply click on agree to terms. And this is going to be your upload portion right here. So if you'd like to upload an existing audio file, just click on this option that says select file, and file manager will automatically be pulled out. If you would like to record a raw audio, just simply click on this option right here. And that's it. That's how you upload audio and Suno AI.